during the robbery. Smith was allegedly armed with a handgun and concerned with another during all of the robberies. Co-accused Devin Carey recently faced similar charges. Smith was not required to enter a plea to the charges and was remanded to the Bahamas Department of Corrections. He is set to return to court on September 30th for the presentation of a voluntary bill of indictment.
Rabble, you don't know say the one and only National Rabble Danger, and on this platform we do things different. Rabblings, Jamaican have a saying, dance a yard before you dance abroad, don't it? I'ma say that for say this, when the average Jamaican hear about foreign, what's the first thing come to mind? Opportunity, don't it? Agree or disagree, let me know. Rabblings, spree this. Enough top man in a Jamaica would I tell you them not do certain things, don't it? But them would I go a foreign and clean toilet for own a mansion. Agree or disagree, let me know. Me said that for said this. Them said dance a yard before you dance abroad, but at the end of the day, people will be people. But Rabblings, and that me come for talk about, would you believe it that a Jamaican in Bahamas right now at this raceway make me a think and wonder to myself if he was a local thief before he became an international thief. Jano, Rabblings, he might go on bad. Rabblings, me never know say people take vacation for go rob people. Rabble, straight Rabblings, spree this.
Jamaican national is brought before the magistrate's court today, charged with a recent string of armed robberies for the month of June, including that brazen daylight robbery at Rubus gas station on West Bay Street. 22-year-old Shaquille Smith, also known as Shaq of Golden Gates No. 1, was charged with 5 counts of armed robbery and 1 count of attempted murder Wednesday afternoon before Magistrate Andrew Forbes. Smith told Forbes that he is a Jamaican national who came to the Bahamas on holiday and was due to return May 22nd. However, due to the COVID-19 pandemic, he was unable to travel. Smith was charged in connection with the June 9th robbery of Rubus West Bay Street. He was also charged with robbing Owen McCafferty, a customer at the gas station, of his wallet which contained $1,500. He is also accused of the June 3rd robbery of Denisha Brooks, where he allegedly made off with $200 and a pack of Aspen Green cigarettes valued at $10, property of Trey's convenience store. On the same day, Smith allegedly robbed 4G's convenience store of $955. The Jamaican was also charged with robbing McGrab convenience store of $761.59. His charge sheet also included the June 9th robbery of J&S convenience store, where he allegedly made off with $300, and the attempted murder of Samuel Strawn, the owner of J&S convenience store, who was shot during the robbery. Smith was allegedly armed with a handgun and concerned with another during all of the robberies. Co-accused Devin Carey recently faced similar charges. Smith was not required to enter a plea to the charges and was remanded to the Bahamas Department of Corrections. He is set to return to court on September 30th for the presentation of a voluntary bill of indictment. Before leaving court, Forbes provided Smith with an application for bail. Reporting for
Rabble, no fear for tell them say you hear it, so remember to like, share and subscribe. Straight Rabblings.